You are watching JP Tarot, and right now I'm going to do the Earth sign reading for the month of October. If you have your Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn in your Sun, Moon, Rising, then this reading is for you. You can also, since this is a love mat, you could also see this video according to your Venus sign. If your Venus sign is in Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, this video is also gonna resonate with you. So this is the October monthly reading, and if you have not watched my last videos, go. I have a 6 month. I am doing a 6 month reading in one go, so you will get all my readings back to back. So please check out my July, August, and September videos to get more clarity over your situation, what you have been passed through, you are passing, and you will face in the future. So you will avoid some past mistakes, have clarity on the current situation, and you can take advantage from this reading for taking some great and positive step towards your future. Okay, so you can watch all those videos. Right now I'm going to do this reading. This is not a three card reading. You will get three card reading in most of the readings of other readers, but I am not going to do so because I am going to elaborate your situation. This is a past, present, future. I will, and these are clarification card with outcome card, and overall situation will be just you will get the overall situation. Okay, you will have clarity over your situation. So let's get into the reading. You will get more clarity after I will open the face of the cards. So in the past you were having stable emotion towards somebody, but you were not happy in that relationship. You were feeling left out. You were feeling like you are the only one who is putting in effort, and you felt in future also you have a mindset that in future you will leave this place because you are feeling alone. You have this mindset right now. This is linked up from your present because I'm reading your present, but how the past affected your present and what are you thinking in the present for the future. Okay, so you wanted some stability in a relationship, equal give and take in that situation. You had some take both side. Okay, either you or your person wanted this relationship. They had stable emotion for the person, but they were not happy in the relationship because there was a lack of equal give and take. Only one person was putting in effort, and they were feeling left out. Okay, they were feeling left out. And if you will, but right now some stability has came. Though somebody was feeling left out, somebody stability due to that lack of instability, stability and equality, somebody was feeling left out. Somebody is right now feeling left out, but they are not gonna feel left out because some stability is coming your way. That stability will ignite your passion towards your person, and you will think about, though you have thought about leaving that place where you have been hurt, but since there is a passion, some passion for your person and that relationship towards in which you were not satisfied, but you wanted that stability because you had a stable emotion towards that person despite that disappointment or unsatisfaction, and you are expecting that stability from your person right now till now. Okay, and you have emotion, passion. So though you are thinking about moving out of the place, you are deciding to move physically, not emotionally, because you can't, because you want that relationship. Okay, so this passion is going to just again make you feel emotional, okay, towards your person. You will feel like you should leave this place, but your passion towards your person and this emotion will be just stirred up. Entire month you will feel very much emotional towards your person because you are thinking about leaving this situation or this relation or this place, because you are not at all satisfied with this relationship, though you have a stable passion towards your person. And this is a very positive card. This passion is not only yours, your person also feels the equal level of passion towards you, and your person also feels the equal level of emotion towards you. They are also not happy, they are also feeling left behind, and they have also this passion, and they also have that feeling to just move away from the place. Because see, this card, only this card, if you will see, these are interlinked. They are also not happy and they are also feeling left behind. Are you getting? And this card is also linked with this card, this happiness card, emotional card, which is also linked with this passion card. Means you two have equal passion and emotion towards each other, and you two feel like sometimes you feel like you should leave this place or this relationship, but you can't because you have never ending passion and huge emotion for your person, and you want this stability to come your way because you have stable passion and emotion for your person. Entire month you will feel emotional towards your person. You are gonna think about how this stability should come your way in this relationship, because you know your person also is not happy without you. Both of you know that you both feel left out, you both are expecting in this relationship, you both want stability, you both were not happy, you both moved away from each other, but it was physical movement. You were emotionally attached, and right now also you have this evergreen passion for each other, and you want this stability. You have just equal mindset about this mindset and level of passion and emotion towards each other. You can't get rid of this passion and emotion towards your partners, okay? You both don't just can't rid of your person's thought and the passion you feel towards your person despite this left behind like situation and feeling, okay? The entire month you are gonna feel emotional and passionate towards your person, and this will provide you some sort of emotional stability despite this moving away and non-contact with your person, despite this unsatisfaction and left behind like situation, okay? You are gonna deal with your emotion for the entire month. You will think about that what led, nothing happened great due to this moving away from the situation. I gave my back to the situation, it didn't help. I moved away, it didn't help because I am away, but I am still having this overflowing mad like passion towards my person, and this overflowing emotion, my whole heart is of my person. I want this stability from my person. I want them to put in effort despite all this whatever I have faced in this situation and relationship, and I know my person is equally concerned about this equal give and take, and they are having this same level of passion and emotion towards me. So you are going to get emotional whether you are married or not. You know your person well, you both want stability, equal give and take, so you are going to deal with your, you will have this emotional up and down entire month or in the entire month of October. So this is the emotional month for you. You will have to deal with emotions, and don't take hasty step. If you are married, stay away. from your person despite these emotions, because this emotion will not help you out. This emotion will lead to some destruction. And if you are unmarried and you have so strong feeling towards them, so you need to sort out your problem, have a table and talk with them. Okay, sit calmly, don't fight, let them say, then say. I always advise, let your person say, then you say, and then both say. Okay, it's a 15-minute, 5 minute separative expression where you will get no fight if you will behave in a manner. This is a rule, but you will get benefit of this rule, because if you will say and you will not let your person say anything, if you will say again and again in between, they are not gonna express you completely, and the same will happen with you. And give the other last 5 minutes when both of you say, then you could have arguments. Okay, since you will get all the information about your partner and they will get all information about your feelings, uh, ultimately there will be no fight and quarrel in the last minutes. Okay, that's my advice. Take my advice, please deal with your emotion, and otherwise time may slip and you will regret. Okay, that's all the month you are going to deal with your emotion, and you will be emotional in the entire month. That's all for this reading. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Okay, please see my past videos to get more clarity, and wait for my other videos, upcoming videos, to get more insight over your situation. That's all for you. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thanks. That's all for you.